Hey guys, it's your girl Nicole, also known as Coach Glamour, and today I'm going to show you how to get a flawless finish with minimal makeup, especially if you have dark spots. So I'm going to be looking into the camera so I can see what I'm doing, but I'm also going to be looking into this mirror and I'm using the demi color to color correct. So say if you have dark spots, blemishes, acne scars, whatever kind of distractions you may have on your face and you want to minimize it, but you don't want to put a pound of foundation on. Now let's be for real, especially as we age, no one wants to wear a cake of foundation. And I know we see tons of videos that look absolutely gorgeous with a whole cake of foundation, don't get me wrong. But on the day-to-day, every day, it's just too much. I'm going to show you a way to do it where it's really lightweight and it lasts all day. And I love this because I'm prone to dark spots. I had cryo a while back on a dark spot I had here. You can watch that video right over here. And I recently had cryo on this dark spot, which is new. Let's get close. And I had cryo on this in November, and it takes about 9 months to a year to completely disappear. And as you see, even with foundation on, you can still see it to a certain extent. This up here is something I was born with. However, these other dark spots are not, and we are going to cover them with demi. So demi is you can think color theory, right? So if your spot is like bluish green, you want to apply something that may be orangey red, right? So think of the color wheel. The color wheel is a perfect example of how you should address your dark spots and distractions. So if you have redness on your face, you think of the opposite on the color wheel, which is green. If you have anything that's purple violet, you want to think of yellow. Anything blue green, you want to think orange red, right? But we don't even want to put pure red. So it's more of a subdued, diluted color. Now, we have specific brushes for this, okay, and they work like a charm. You could try to use your finger if you like, but you get some exact preciseness when you use the brushes, okay? So this is the spot brush and the blur brush, and I'm going to be using the spot brush first to address this dark spot right here. So the first thing I'm going to do, my dark spot, especially after I put a light coat of foundation on, tends to look a little bluish gray, right? So I'm going to be using this orangey color right here, and I'm going to just take the ever so slightly, just a little bit of that color, and go to the darkest areas in that spot. Okay, I want to face the camera so you guys can see. Let's see if I can look at the camera and you guys at the same time. And you're just gonna tap it in the darkest areas of the spot. Pick up a little more color, and again, tap. And I also like to address the edges here of the spot. And as you see, that spot is disappearing. Now you can use the fluffy side to kind of diffuse it. Now I'm gonna go into this lighter peachier color right on top of it, because that color seems to blend really good with my skin tone, okay? And now that spot is completely gone. I love this technique because you don't have to put concealer right on the spot. Concealer, for me, when I used to do this, did not cover the spot at all. Matter of fact, it would make it more noticeable throughout the day. It'd have like this halo effect, where with this doesn't happen because you are addressing the spot directly. So now that we did that spot, let's go and do this one, the one that I've been having like forever. That one is a little more purpley, a little more violet. So I'm gonna use this yellowish color right here. I'm gonna tap into that. I want you guys to see. And I'm just gonna lightly hit the areas that have the most saturation. And then I'm gonna tap it with the other side. And that itself is already disappearing. Now I have beauty marks on my face and some freckles. right? So those I don't want to cover. I actually like those. Those are part of who I am, right? So I'm going to leave those alone. But anything else that is more distracting. So on the sides of my nose here, I have lots of broken capillaries and they lean towards the violet side. So I'm going to go right in there, still using that same yellowish color. And I'm just going to lightly tap, right? And get rid of those distractions. Same thing on this side. This side is not as bad. Right? And get rid of those distractions around the nose area. And there we go. Dark spots are gone. And so if you have dark spots and maybe you had some cryo and you're waiting for them to fade away, this is a really, really great option to try. And all you need to do is, again, take a look at your dark spot and analyze if it's green. Is it leaning towards blue? And if you need help with that, you can reach out to me directly and I can recommend some colors for you that you can try. So here's a few tips though. When you first get this, you're going to have to just wipe your brain of regular makeup style stuff, okay? You're going to really fine tune this. And once you get the hang of it, it's fast. As you see, I did that really fast. But when you're first trying it out, it's like trying something new. It's experimenting, right? It's about getting the hang of it. Once you get the hang of it, you're going to be addicted. You're going to be wanting to use this around the eye area. You're going to want to do your whole face, okay? So let's try around the eye area really quick. I have lots of blue, and again, I put coverage around there, but you could wear this not only by itself but hybrid with your foundation as well. So I have lots of blue around the eye area. It's kind of bluish green, so I'm going to use this peachy color right here, and I'm just going to kind of tap in the darkest areas. And for me, it's that dark line that we get with age, right? And then I'm going to just diffuse it. And you can see it is already making a difference compared to the other eye. And it's usually inside here where all my darkness lies, okay? So I'm just lightly tapping that. Because with this, less is more. You don't want to slather this on. You just want to pinpoint the darkest areas, and you want your skin to basically shine through without putting a cake of makeup on. And look at that. It's already it's already done the job. So definitely something to try if you are trying to minimize your dark spots. This also works with hyperpigmentation, acne scars, you name it, okay? Again, if you would like to try this, reach out to me so I can help you out pick a perfect color. I'm going to end it there. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.